This is the second presentation of the decimal system using real material, and the purpose is to help children understand our base 10 system by showing them that every time you make 9 and add one more, you go to the next hierarchy of a number. So for this, you'll need 9 of each: units, tens, hundreds, and 1,000. And you can use base 10 material or golden beads. So to start with, you'll have the child count as you lay out the quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if we add one more, we'll have 10. One 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, and if we add one more, we'll have 100. 100. Now, normally I would stack these, but it looks two-dimensional on the screen, so I'm going to turn it so that you can see. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and if we add one more, let's do it this way. Now, normally I would show this with 1,000 on the top like this, but again, on the screen, it's a little one-dimensional. So if we add one more, we'll have 1,000.